Today I'm going to show you how to move emails to a specific folder in Gmail, and I'll also show you how to create a new folder if you don't already have one set up. This is a really simple Gmail organizing trick, but it can save you a lot of time and help keep your inbox neat, clean, and easy to manage. If you deal with a lot of emails every day, this is one of the fastest ways to sort messages into the right place. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful software tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. That will take you directly to Gmail. Once Gmail loads, look through your inbox and select the email or emails you want to move. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each message. If you only want to move one email, select just that one. If you want to move several at once, you can select multiple emails before continuing. After you've selected the email or emails, look at the top of the inbox toolbar and click the Move to button, which looks like a folder icon. This opens a list of your available folders and labels in Gmail. From there, simply choose the folder or label where you want the email to go. As soon as you click it, Gmail will move the selected message into that folder, and it will no longer stay in your main inbox view unless you search for it or view that label. Now, if you don't already have the folder you need, Gmail also lets you create a new one right from that same menu. To do that, click Move to Again and then select Create New. A box will appear asking you to enter a folder name. Type in the name you want, like receipts, work, invoices, or any custom category that makes sense for your email organization. Once you've typed the name, click Create. Gmail will make the new folder or label for you, and then you can immediately move the email into that folder. This is especially helpful if you're setting up a fresh inbox system and want everything grouped by topic, project, or sender. If you want, you can repeat this process for as many emails as needed. Just select the messages, click Move to, and choose the correct folder. The more you use folders and labels in Gmail, the easier it becomes to find important emails later without digging through your inbox. So in just a few clicks, you can move emails to a specific folder in Gmail and even create a new folder whenever you need one. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Gmail tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.